Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja and we are back with another hair tutorial for you guys. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to install and style this lovely 26-inch loose wave wig from Arabella Hair. If you're interested and you want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and check out the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. For today's video, I will be installing a unit from Arabella Hair. This is their packaging. So we received a little goodie bag with some gifts. So the wig we're installing today is their 26-inch 13x4 loose wave wig, and this one is their transparent lace, and as you can see, it's already pre-bleached and pre-plucked for us. The hairline looks like it came just like this, pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Everything was pretty much done to the unit. Had the adjustable band attached to it already, and this is what the inside looks like. This one is not a regular cap, but as you can see, it's a little bit different. It has the elastic band at the back and no combs are inside, but they did send us the combs just in case we wanted to attach them. This is the unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a wig cam on. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. This time around, I didn't apply any foundation to the unit. I feel like I'll just do it like to the part since the unit is already bleached. But this is it. This is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs out so it fits better to my head. But this is the vibes. Let's go ahead and do that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this into 3 sections. I feel like it's easier when you're gluing your unit to have them done section by section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it into 3 sections. And today's glue is the Even Wonder Lace Bond glue. So they did send us a melting band for a unit. What I'm about to do now is to tie this down, let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes, let it dry, and then we cut the excess lace off. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this off and finish up our unit. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm about to tie this down for another 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry, let it melt, and then we finish styling the unit. I feel like I want to keep their curls because I have no idea how to make loose wave. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It is given super pretty. I love how this turned out, and I was able to achieve some really pretty curls. This is it. Let me show you guys the back. Overall, I really love how this unit turned out. I feel like it's super pretty. I really achieved some really nice curls. It was easy to melt, and this is what it's looking like. Again, this unit is from Arabella Hair, and this is their 26-inch transparent loose wave wig, and I totally love how this turned out. If you want to get this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.